fought.
The Hourglass of Oblivion, sands of bone and flame. We are lost to everything. Nothing stays the same.
Hourglass of Oblivion, a void where shadows creep. We are dust and echoes, secrets buried deep. Desert crowns of shattered kings now crumble into dust, rot beneath the dying sky, eroded by the rust. Every ending tightly clings to the lie we call goodbye, as ancient, forgotten things begin to float and die.